Good morning, guys. Scuba Chris here. Now, when I go out fishing, part of my terminal gear, a very important part of my terminal gear, is scissors. And there's only two types of scissors I bring. One is your basic kitchen shears, and this is very cheap. It's like on sale at Walmart. You can get it for like $2.99. Now, the reason I bring this is twofold. One is to cut thick monofilament line, and thick monofilament line will put a lot of undue stress on braid scissors. So I try to take the stress off by using something a little heavier duty. And kitchen shears will do the job. The most important thing is that when I do catch fish that I plan to take home, which is not too often, but when I do it, this here is a good cleaning tool. When you have the side pelvic fins, you're gonna have the center bone. All right. Try to cut that with a knife, a fishing knife. Most fishing fillet knives are thin, right? They don't handle that very well, and you could get hurt because the blades are flexible. This here will go through it like butter. Now, trust me, this is the safest thing to use when you clean fish, and to just work with small diameter ropes and thick fishing line, and I'll show you why. Okay, instead of using a knife, I like to use kitchen shears. Okay, first we'll snip off that, see that nasty spine right there? Okay. I like kitchen shears better, less chance of getting hurt as compared to using a knife. That's just me. I mean, you can use a knife. No problem using a knife. I just got used to using kitchen shears for doing this, is all. That was one clip. Here's another clip. You just need these beautiful kitchen shears, and you go through those bones like butter. This is a lot better than a fillet knife, and you won't get hurt. Now, basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go use my kitchen shears, go up the anal track, which is in between the two pelvic fins, all right? So you're just going to cut it. Now over here, you got the bone between the pelvics. Got to kind of put a little bit more muscle into this one. There. You heard that? That means I went to it. And over here, you got some more bone. There's so many different ways of doing this. This is the way that I do it. There. Now the other pair of scissors I bring with me are these beauties right here. Braid scissors. Now this one here is by Mustad. I just had my shipment come in from the Dominican Republic. They were nice enough to send me 5. I'm not going to go through 5 very easily, but it's nice to know I have extras. What makes a good braid scissors? The tip is blunted, but when you open it, look at that. One super sharp tip there and a blunted side. Now the super sharp side here, look at that. Serrated. Beautiful serrated edge, and the other side is just sharp. All right, so it's great for cutting braid, and you want to get the clean cut. Now here is some soft steel eminent braid 65-pound test to give you, and I just got this to give you an idea how sharp this is. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. That is what you want. That's how sharp you want this. So the reason why I use kitchen shears on thicker, tougher line is because I want to save the cutting edge in this for braid. That's why it's called braid scissors. It's meant to be used for braid. So that's just my simple report on 2 types of scissors that I always use. A lot of people kind of caught on. They figure this on this, by themselves. But for the beginners, I recommend these two scissors. It's a very important part of your fishing gear. Thank you.